Good afternoon, children. Myself Priyanka Take, and today I will teach you between numbers. Today I will teach you between numbers. Between numbers. Today we will learn between numbers. What is the meaning of between? Between means बीच में. Between numbers means बीच वाला number. Between means बीच वाला number. Like, see, look here. In my right hand one pen and in left side marker. अब ये बताएंगे कि बीच में कौन है. बीच में कौन सी चीज़ है? डस्टर है. तो बीच में क्या चीज़ है, कौन सा नंबर है, ये हमको फाइंड करना है. So we will take some examples like 5, filling the blanks 7. अब आपको ये फाइंड करना है कि यहाँ कौन सा नंबर आएगा. बीच वाला नंबर हमको फाइंड करना था. In previous classes we already learned after number, before number. Now you have to learn between numbers. बीच में आने वाला नंबर. हमने पहले पढ़ा है कि आफ्टर नंबर, बाद में आने वाला नंबर कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, पहले आने वाला नंबर कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. नाउ वी विल लर्न बिटवीन नंबर्स. बीच में आने वाला नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है. सो लुक हियर. व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? नंबर 5. दिस इज नंबर 5. देन दिस इज नंबर 7. अब आपको फाइंड करना है बीच में आने वाला नंबर. 5, 7. बीच में 5 और 7 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है ये देखना है. तो ये which number is this? Which number is this? This is number 7. That means what comes after 5? What comes after 5 and what comes before 7? 5 के बाद आने वाला नंबर और 7 से पहले आने वाला नंबर. हम दोनों सीख चुके हैं. आफ्टर नंबर एंड बिफोर नंबर दोनों नंबर सीख चुके हैं कैसे निकालते हैं. तो बिटवीन नंबर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? 5 के जस्ट बाद आने वाला नंबर, 5 के जस्ट बाद आने वाला नंबर एंड जस्ट बिफोर 7. 7 से पहले आने वाला नंबर. दिस इज नंबर 7. 7 से जस्ट पहले आने वाला नंबर. विच नंबर इज दिस? नंबर 6. तो 5 और 7 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? नंबर 6. 5 और 7 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? नंबर 6. 5 के बाद और 7 से पहले. 5 के बाद और 7 से पहले आने वाला नंबर. अगर आपको आफ्टर नंबर आते हैं तो भी आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. बिफोर नंबर आते हैं तो भी आप फाइंड कर सकते हो. नाउ 13. Which number will come after 13 and before 15? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. 13 और 15 के बीच वाला नंबर फाइंड करना है. 13 and 15. आपको 13 और 15 के बीच वाला नंबर फाइंड करना है. कौन सा नंबर है? Which number is this? This is number 14. Now, what comes after 13? Number 14 is coming. After 13, which number is coming? Number 14. Now, before 15. Before 15, which number is coming? Before 15, which number is coming? Number 14. 1 4 14. So 13 and 15. 13 and 15 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? नंबर 14. 13 और 15 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? नंबर 14. So your answer after 13, which number will come? 14. What comes after 13? Number 14. And what comes before 15? 15 से पहले आने वाला नंबर. What comes before 15? Which number will come before 15? Look here. Which number will come before 15? Number 14. Which number is this? 1 4 14. And after 13. Look here. After 13. Which number will come? Number 1 4 14. So your answer 1 4 14. Answer is 1 4 14. So 13 और 15 के बीच कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 14. 13, 14, 15. Now we are taking another example. Which number is this? Number 17. Which number is this? 17. And this is 19. This is 17. And this is 19. So you have to find between numbers 17 and 19. Look here again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now 17 and 19. 17 and 19. Which number will come between 17 and 19? Look here. Which number is this? This is number 18. कौन सा नंबर प्लेस है 17 और 19 के बीच में? Look here. 17 और 19 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर प्लेस है? Which number is this? This is number 18. This is number 18. Now, what comes after 17? What comes after 17? Look here. What comes just after 17? Which number is this? This is 18. Now, before. What comes before? Before 19, which number will come? Before 19. Before 19, which number will come? Look here. Before 19. Which number is this? 1 and 18. 1 and 18. This is 18. So your answer is 1 and 18. See here, 17, 18 and 19. Which number will come in between 17 and 19? 1 and 18. Which number will come? 1 and 18. Now we are taking another example. Look here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30, 30. Now first you have to identify which number is this. This is 2525 and this is 2727. You have to find the numbers in between 25 and 27. So look here. 20, where is 25? 25 and 27. This is 25 and this is 27. Which number is this? Now tell me, which number is this? Which number is placed in between 25 and 27? 26, 26. 26, 26. What comes after 25? What comes after 25? Now look here. What comes after 25? 26, 26. What comes after 25? 26, 26. Now, what comes before 27? Before 27. Before 27, which number will come? 26, 26. Which number will come before 27? 26, 26. So your answer is 26, 26. Your answer is 26, 26, 25, 26 and 27. So 20 after 25, 26 will come and before 27 also 26 will come. So 25 and 27 के बीच में 26 नंबर आता है. Now you have to take out your pencil, eraser and notebook. Take out your pencil, eraser and notebook and write heading. You have to write heading. Write the numbers that comes in between. Write the numbers. W-R-I-T-E. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. You have to touch the down line. Then draw one box. Write the T-H-E. The. Write the. Then again leave one box. Write the numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. Write the numbers. I have no space, that is I am writing in down line. You have to drop one line. Write the numbers that comes T-H-A-T, that T-H-A-T, that. Okay, drop one box. Write the numbers that comes C-O-M-E-S. Write the numbers numbers that comes in between. Write the numbers that comes in between. बीच में आने वाला नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है. बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है? Write the numbers that comes in between. Now right here number 2, leave one box. This is your answer box. Again drop one box and write 4. 2 filling the blanks, 4. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 2, where is 2? 2 and 4. 2 and 4. कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है 2 और 4 के बीच में? Which number is this? This is number 3. What comes after 2 and what comes before 4? What comes after 2? 3 and before 4? 3. So your answer is number 3. 2, 3, 4. Your answer is number 3. Now 8, and 10. 8 and 10. Look here, where is 8 and 10? Which number is placed in between 8 and 10? कौन सा नंबर प्लेस है एट 8 और 10 के बीच में? नंबर 9. 8 और 10 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर लिखा हुआ है? नंबर 9. दिस इज नंबर 9. व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 8? What comes after 8? What comes after 8? Number 9 will come. And what comes before 10? What comes before 10? Look here. Before 10. 10 के just पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 10 के just पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? नंबर 9. Number 9. Which number is coming just before 10? Number 9. And which number is coming after 9? Sorry, 8? Number 9. So number 9 is placed in between 8 and 10. Number 9 is placed in between 8 and 10. 8 और 10 के बीच कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 9. 8, 9 and 10. Which number is coming? Number 9. Number 9. Now write number 13, 13 and 15. 13 and 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 13 and 15. 13 and 15. Which number is placed in between 13 and 15? This is number 13 and this is 15. Which number is this? Which number is this? 1, 4, 14. Which number is this? 1, 4, 14. Now, tell me what comes after 13? 13 के जस्ट बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? What comes after 13? कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1, 4, 14. And what comes before 15? What comes before 15? Which number is this? 14. Look here. Just before. What comes just before 15? Just before. 15 से just पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 1, 4, 14. And what comes after 13? Just 13 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 14. So which number is placed in between 13 and 14? 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. So 14 is your answer. 13, 14 and 15. Now again we are taking some examples. I have no space, that is why I am writing this side, but you have to write continuously. Write number 21. Draw one box. This is your answer box. Again draw one box and write 23. 21 and 23. 21 and 23. Right here 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and so on. Which number is this? 21, 21. Which number is this? 21, 21. 21 and 23. You have to see 21 and 23. Which number will place between 21 and 23? कौन सा नंबर आएगा 21 and 23 के बीच? Which number is this? 2, 2. Which number is this? 2, 2, 22. This is 22. What comes after 21? What comes after 21? 2, 2, 22. What comes after 22? Sorry, 21. 21 के जस्ट बाद कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 2, 2, 22. And what comes before 23? Before 23 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? What comes before 23? What comes before 23? 23 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 22. Which number is coming before 23? 2, 2, 23. And what comes after 21? 21 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 2 to 22. So 22 number is placed in between 21 and 23. Number 22 is placed in between 21 and 23. Now write 2, 7, 27. 27, drop one box, and 29. 27 and 29. 27 and 29. Which number is placed in between 27 and 29? Which number is this? Which number is this? 2 and 28. Now look here. What comes after 27? What comes after 27? Look here. What comes just after 27? 28. What comes before 29? What comes just before 29? Just before 29 के पहले, 29 के just पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 2 and 28. 29 से भी पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 28. 27 के बाद 28 आता है, 29 के पहले 28. Just after 27, 28 will come, and just before 29, 28 will come. So this is your answer. 2 and 28 is your answer. 28 number is placed in between 27 and 29. 28 number is placed in between 27 and 29. Last example, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Right here 3, 4, 34, 3, 4, 34, and 36. 34 and 36. You have to find the number which is placed in between 34 and 36. 34 और 36 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, ये आपको फाइंड करना है. What comes after 34? What comes after 34? कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है 34 के जस्ट बाद? 35, 35. 35, 35. And what comes just before 36? What comes just before 36? 36 के जस्ट पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? 35, 35. 35, 35. So after 34, 35 will come, and before 36, 35 will come. So these are between numbers. You have to write down in your maths notebook. Write properly. You have to write down in your maths notebook. These are between numbers. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.